Okay, welcome children. So today we are going to study about the flower. So here you can see this is a hibiscus flower. Okay, we call it a hibiscus flower. So we will just start with an introduction. I took the simplest flower that we can study. So we will study about the structure of flower, the external structure, and they are called as the whorls. Okay, so we will study about the whorls, and there are 4 whorls in a flower. Moving from the outermost to the innermost, let us start with this green structure in the flower that is called a calyx. Okay, so this is a calyx. The green structure is the calyx. The petals, the colorful structures are called as the corolla. Okay, all these colorful which are the petals are included in it, they are called as the corolla. The center part that is swollen at the base and here at the top, this is called the gynoecium. The gynoecium. And these all, here we can see 6 of them, they are called as the androecium. Okay, so androecium. So we have calyx going from outwards to the inside, calyx, corolla, gynoecium and androecium. So in androecium we have these 3 structures. Okay, we will do each of them separately, but for now I just want you to understand about these 4 whorls. Okay, so 4 whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Gynoecium has the female reproductive parts of a flower. Okay, gynoecium, this has the female reproductive parts of the flower, and androecium has the male reproductive parts of the flower. Okay, so again I'm repeating: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Okay, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, where the gynoecium is the female and androecium is the male. Now if we move back to this flower, so this is a complete flower. You can see the petals, you can see the calyx and the gynoecium and androecium here, and the calyx are at the bottom, which we cannot see clearly. So what I've done is, let's say assuming that I have removed the first 2 petals from here, these 2 petals are removed from here, and then I've presented this flower to you. Okay, so the yellow structures that you see are the androecium, and these red parts, they are the gynoecium. Okay, so these are the gynoecium. Here these are the androecium. Okay, this is the word which we call as corolla. Easier way to remember corolla, you can say the pronunciation of color and color, corolla. Okay, and then at the bottom we have these green structures which are called as the calyx. Okay, these are the 4 whorls of a flower. In the next video we will move deeper into each whorl of the flower. That is all for this video.